What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see here, we are inside my 2025 GMC Sierra AT4, and we're basically going to be going through how to customize your driver information cluster here. And obviously it's all digital, so it's fully customizable, but let's kind of show you guys how to customize it. So first, get a good angle here. You're basically going to want, it's all on the steering wheel. First thing you want to do is use the right arrow. As you guys can see, we're on speed, so we are on the information setting. So you pretty much want to go over with the right arrow until you get to your settings. And then you can see we have display layout. You want to click on display layout. So first we have 4 options here. You have classic and the nice transitions as well. You have classic, which pretty much, I'll explain later how you can change your left and right side and also the lower gauges. But we have classic, progressive, you're gonna see digital, and then clean. So as you guys can see, we work our way down the list and it pretty much displays less and less. So I had mine on progressive, I'm gonna leave it on progressive. But as you guys can also see here, we have the left and right sides of the layout, which you can edit. So you can see there we have left side info. So right now I have the transmission fluid temp, but you can also do fuel economy, tire pressure, time and temp, compass, pretty much a lot of customization there. And then you're gonna go to the right side, which you guys can see a few different options, but pretty much the same stuff as we go through them there. And then the lower gauges. So you can see it kind of highlights your lower gauges there. And these are 3 options. You have maximum, which are all the gauges. You have medium, which only shows you the 2 gauges. And then you can see you have, oh sorry, that was medium. And then you have minimum, which shows you just your fuel. So that's pretty much a quick walkthrough on how to use your driver information cluster here, which is all digital. Very easy to use, very nice that you can customize all of it. You guys can see here we even have speed warnings, speed sign displays, which you need I believe a plan, yeah. And then, you know, so much else that you can edit here. But if you guys want me to do a full walkthrough of this whole sort of driver information cluster, drop a comment and let me know. This is just going to be on how to customize your display layout